Verge Motorcycles. It's an incredible recognition to be part of the top 100. I'm incredibly honoured and proud to have been recognised, even nominated, first of all. And I guess the one thing that I've got out of it is being part of the network in the industry and actually being able to have those connections and conversations, which is what it's all about and what is going to make the industry thrive in the future. I knew quite early on that I wanted a career in engineering, and I guess the most motivating thing about pursuing that career in engineering is the fact that nothing's ever perfect. There's always room for continuous improvement, and evolution and continuous improvement is what engineering is, solving problems and delivering solutions. Probably not one person that's influenced my career so far. There's been many people that have left imprints and positive impressions on my career, and I guess the most notable or important thing about those people is that they've all been incredible leaders and great mentors to me, and I think that everyone who's starting off in a career in engineering or even throughout their career should really have that kind of leader to help them and guide them. A long-term legacy that is going to be left in the industry with the change that's happening at the moment is the pace at which we deliver products to market. In fact, the pace at which we develop and deliver products to market. It's a big shift in how we've always engineered and manufactured products and from what we know. And the legacy that's going to be left behind is actually getting products to market sooner and actually meeting customer demand. So in general, my advice would be to broaden your knowledge and continue to learn not only what's inside your role, but also surrounding your role as well. And since only last week was INWED, a special piece of advice to female engineers out there who are striving to get into the engineering industry is the one piece of advice that I'd give you is to continue to network, go out of your comfort zone, network with people in the industry and build that confidence so that you're able to use that within your role and as you evolve in your career.